Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can pay a parking ticket online on Montreal. So make sure to watch this video till the end and get started. Step 1. First, you need to access the online payment portal. To do this, visit the City of Montreal office online payment system. Step 2. Once you're on the portal, enter the required details from your statement of offense. This includes either the statement number or the file number. Make sure this information is accurate so you can retrieve your ticket details correctly. Step 3. Now take a moment to review the ticket information that shows up. Confirm that all the details are correct and then proceed to the payment section. Step 4. For payment, you'll need a valid credit card. Make sure you're using a MasterCard or Visa as prepaid cards are not accepted. Once you have entered your payment details, complete the transactions. After you have paid, to be sure with the print or save confirmation for your records. And that's it. That's how you can pay a parking ticket online in Montreal 2025. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one as always.